Alright, have you ever wondered why women are more likely to be injured in car crashes? The Department of Transportation just unveiled something that's going to change everything. Introducing THOR-05F, the first advanced female crash test dummy. And trust me, this is a game changer for car safety. Breaking news just announced. This dummy is not just a smaller version of the male model. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this matters so much for all of us. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. So, here's the deal. THOR-05F is designed to mimic the female body in crashes, complete with 3 times as many sensors as the old models. Imagine this: a neck that bends like a human's, a spine that moves naturally, and a thorax that shows chest deflection at 4 different spots. But here's where things get really interesting. Now get this. The old Hybrid 3 dummy, developed in the late 70s, was based on a man, making women 73% more likely to be injured in a crash. That's a staggering statistic. THOR-05F aims to change that with sensors in the abdomen, pelvis, and arms, measuring pressures and forces like never before. And while the Hybrid 3 female dummy was just a male dummy with a few tweaks, THOR-05F is built from the ground up to reflect a 5th percentile female body. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. This could reshape car safety regulations and design, making vehicles safer for everyone, not just the average male. We're talking a potential shift in how airbags, seatbelts, and vehicle structures are designed. Imagine what this means for the future of automotive safety. This isn't just about safety, it's about equality in design. As we move towards more inclusive technology, this could be a massive step forward. And with the rise of electric vehicles and autonomous driving, ensuring safety for all body types becomes even more critical. Could this spark a new era of innovation in automotive safety? Quote, "So here's the question. How do you feel about the fact that women have been at a disadvantage in car safety for decades? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most and hit subscribe because next week I'm breaking down how this innovation could influence the entire auto industry. You won't want to miss it."